Tired of speakers that sound flat and lifeless? Music just doesn't fill your room the way you want. You want powerful sound, but space is limited. And setup? It's always complicated and time-consuming. Wires everywhere, confusing buttons, endless pairing issues. Plus, you care about the planet and want sustainable choices. But most speakers don't check all your boxes. Meet the Marshall Acton III Bluetooth home speaker. Check the best price on Amazon with the link in the description. Compact, iconic, and engineered for immersive sound. Acton III fits anywhere, but its sound stands out. Re-engineered wider stereo soundstage fills every corner. Tweeters angled outwards deliver a room-chasing experience. Waveguides ensure consistent, solid sound at any angle. Balanced two-way driver system. Crisp treble, rumbling bass. Dynamic loudness keeps music brilliant at every volume. Placement compensation corrects for nearby reflective surfaces. No more worrying about where you place your speaker. Just pair, play, and turn it up instantly. No complex setup, no unnecessary steps. Bluetooth 5.2 delivers effortless, stable connections. Or use the 3.5mm input for wired listening. Ready for next-generation Bluetooth features as they launch. Marshall's iconic design looks great in any room. Choose classic black or vintage cream to match your style. Stripped back look, loud statement. Never more Marshall. Sustainability matters. 70% recycled plastic, vegan materials. PVC-free build keeps the environment in mind. Enjoy music at heart with a lighter footprint. Let's compare before and after Acton III. Before, flat, narrow sound. Frustrating setup. After, immersive, room-filling Marshall signature sound. Before, cluttered wires, outdated Bluetooth. After, effortless pairing and play, future-ready tech. Before, guilt over unsustainable materials. After, eco-conscious design, no compromise on quality. Before, speaker blends in, lacks personality. After, iconic Marshall style, instantly recognizable. Before, music gets lost in the background. After, sound that chases you around the room. Before, volume up but clarity down. After, dynamic loudness keeps every note balanced. Before, annoying sound reflections from nearby surfaces. After, placement compensation corrects for clear audio. Before, fiddling with settings, wasting time. After, straight to business design, just pair and play. Before, outdated tech, missing new features. After, ready for the next generation of Bluetooth. Before, ordinary look, nothing special. After, Marshall's legendary rock and roll design. Before, speaker takes up too much space. After, compact size fits anywhere, sound fills everywhere. Before, music feels disconnected from your lifestyle. After, Acton III becomes the heart of your home. Before, you compromise on sound or sustainability. After, get both. No sacrifices needed. Ready to upgrade your home audio experience? Let Marshall Acton III immerse you in every note. Feel the difference with a wider, richer soundstage. Enjoy effortless pairing and instant play. Make a statement with iconic design and compact form. Choose a speaker that cares for the environment. Over 60 years of sound expertise, future-proof technology. Perfect for music lovers, eco-conscious, and home audio fans. No more flat sound or complicated setups. No more guilt about your tech choices. Just pure immersive music, wherever you are. It's time to experience music the Marshall way. Don't settle for less in your home. Upgrade to the Marshall Acton III today. Click to bring iconic sound and style home now.